Accused number one in the Senzo Meyiwa trial, Muzi Sibiya has refuted claims that he was paid for the contract killing of the Bafana Bafana captain. Sibiya is under cross-examination by State Prosecutor George Baloyi at the High Court in Pretoria, where he's appearing alongside 4 other co-accused. The 5 men have been charged with the 2014 murder of Meyiwa. Advocate Baloyi has been going through the confession statement allegedly made by Sibiya, where it mentions Marco and Makimba Buthelezi as those part of the assassination.
To this story now, community activists and different political parties are picketing outside the Homii residential apartment building in Durban, calling for justice for the Dlamini twins. 7-year-old Aphelele and his twin sister Aphile fell 4 floors down a lift shaft earlier this month. Aphelele was killed while his sister remains in a coma in hospital. Their father, Khayelihle Dlamini, says no warning signs were put up at the lift in the building, which wasn't functioning. Dlamini says the building management as well as law enforcement have let them down. Nonhlakanipho Magwaza has more on the story.
We are outside the block of flats where the incident happened last week, where twin siblings fell down an elevator shaft. As you can see, scores of people are outside calling for justice for the twins. We do have the father of the Dlamini twins with us, who will tell us about exactly how they feel as the family. Mr. Dlamini, we do understand, sorry for your loss. What are you expecting to happen from what we see here? Scores of people are here to support you. What are you expecting to happen?
I believe I'll get the answers. What I want is, I want to know what happened to my kids. I want the footage. Someone must account. So the Homii management, the Homii owners, they must be held accountable. I mean, the proof is there. Another parent whose child died here on the very same flat, on the very same lift, she's here with us today. She hasn't gotten any justice. The case was delayed by the detectives. The very same way it's happening to me. So we need answers. Homii must be held accountable. Homii must pay for this.
Are you in constant communication with the management of the flats?
They're not in communication with me. They haven't been in communication. None of them has reached out to say, this has happened. How can we fix it? Can we move forward this way? Instead, I was offered a teddy bear and a grocery bag, which is an insult for a grieving parent who lost a child and the other is in hospital in ICU. Today it marks day 10. My daughter is still in ICU. On Saturday I buried my son, and sadly it's a very sad day. It's their birthday today. I don't know how I feel. I mean, it's very painful.
How is the family coping with the whole situation? I know you just buried your son, your daughter is in ICU. How is the family coping?
Everybody's devastated. My brother's sick. I mean, even my father too. He's not feeling well. Even my mother-in-law, she was taken to hospital. Yeah, when she had the news. It's very painful.
Are you receiving any sort of counseling? I do understand that some parents have received counseling, but as the Dlamini family, are you receiving any counseling? Do you get any support from social workers, from the management?
There is no support. There's no communication from Homii. Instead, they lied. They released a statement on the social media to say they are in communication, which they never did. I mean, they tampered with the evidence. They did everything they can to destroy the evidence. It's there, and I was intimidated. I had to fight by myself with the security guards. They would deploy about 6 or 7 guards. Some are in disguise, wearing like normal clothes. You won't see that it's a security. Yeah, that's what is happening. Intimidation, no accountability. So I'm suffering. So I'm very happy that South Africans are here to help me. I really appreciate the support.
Are you still staying in this block of flats?
When the accident happened, there was no way I could just move out. My daughter was in hospital. I had to prepare for the funeral. So my belongings are still here. I need to find a way to move out. Remember, it's only been 10 days. I wasn't going to be able to do everything in that space of time. So I need to move out. I don't know when or how, but currently my belongings are still there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was Khayelihle Dlamini, the father of the two twins who died here 10 days ago. He is saying that they are still devastated. They're still trying to cope with what happened to their twins. And he did say that they're not getting any communication from the management. Instead, they are being intimidated by the owners of the flats. And he is calling for justice and accountability from the management that he is currently not receiving.